So we've gone our posterior pelvic tilt. I am now going to slightly facilitate displacement over the standing leg. Look how far I have to go. My center of mass is in the middle, and now I want my center of mass over the right foot. It's not very far at all. Right? So this is one of the biggest things that we as therapists and patients themselves are doing. When they feel like they want to step their left, they feel like they have to displace their mass so far over in order to take this foot off the floor, right? What is that doing to your central nervous system, right? It's going to start telling you you're falling, you've gone too far. The amount of displacement that we need to gain single leg stance over the right is very, very minimal, and less than we think and less than our patients think.